Everyone suffers at least one bad betrayal in their lifetime. It's what unites us. The trick is not to let it destroy your trust in others when that happens. Don't let them take that from you.
Hi, Terry. Is Douglas around?
Hi, Sam. No, I haven't seen him yet today. I'll let you know when he comes in.
Okay. I'll be in my office. I wonder why we are getting these overdue statements?
Hi, Sam. What do you need?
Terry, please reschedule my appointments and hold my calls.
Sure, may I ask why?
I need to audit the books and call the bank about these overdue statements.
Douglas is in his office now.
Okay, I am on hold with Crest Bank. Oh yes, so you are saying these payments are going where? Okay, thanks.
Hi Samantha, I heard you were looking for me.
Hi Douglas. I need to talk to you.
Okay. Sure.
Can you explain to me why I have overdue statements, and the bank states that we have very little revenue in our account?
Well, Sam,
No, let me. Isn't it a fact, Douglas, that you have been embezzling funds out of our business account?
Sam, it's not what you think.
My God, Douglas. It's true. You stole from your own partner?
Sam, please let me explain.
Oh, Sam. I heard. Are you okay?
I will be fine.
How are you feeling?
I, just feel so betrayed and...
6 reasons I feel a betrayal of trust. 1. Shock. I feel stunned in disbelief that someone I trusted betrayed me without my even noticing it. 2. Anger. I feel anger and an intense level of betrayal towards the person who violated my trust. 3. Hurt. I feel hurt, confused, and disappointed that someone close to me could have betrayed me. 4. Grief. I feel sad that I lost the trust and relationship of someone I had no reason to doubt before. 5. Vulnerable. I feel insecure and that I can no longer trust anyone else, including myself. 6. Isolation. I feel alone and that no one else is going to understand or will be judgmental because I didn't see the signs.
Sam. I am so sorry. You are going through this.
Sam. Will you please allow me to explain?
Oh. So you want to explain how you embezzled $100,000 over the past year?
Sam, I am so sorry. But I want to explain why.
6 reasons why I betrayed your trust. 1. Greed. I was selfish and greedy because I prioritized my needs as being more important. 2. Jealousy. I felt insecure and jealous of your success, and I thought you would be too busy to notice what I was doing. 3. Lack of integrity. I lost my integrity when I betrayed your trust and ignored the ethical principles that we live by. 4. Fear of consequences. I felt that I had failed at my responsibilities and that it was only a matter of time before I had to face the consequences. 5. Depression. I had gotten depressed due to my personal problems and felt that I needed to do something to fix them. 6. Self-preservation. I wanted to protect myself from failure and chose my family over my work-related responsibilities.
I have heard what you had to say, but it changes nothing because you took your salary and stole from the company.
I deserve that, Samantha, and I understand.
I put my life savings into this business and I want to buy you out, because I can no longer trust you.
I think that's fair and I will agree to it. Again, I am so sorry.
I just don't know how I'm going to recover from this betrayal.
Sam, you are tough. But let's look at some mechanisms you can implement.
6 reasons how to get over a betrayal of trust. 1. Self-awareness. Acknowledge that you are hurt by the betrayal and have lost a relationship with someone you trusted. 2. Minimize self-blame. Learn to forgive yourself for not seeing the warning signs and being in a state of trustfulness. 3. Grieving process. Take time to grieve the loss of trust and take a break to put things into perspective. 4. Professional help. If the betrayal was too traumatic to handle, then seek professional counseling and join support groups. 5. Life lessons. Use the betrayal as a learning experience so you can recognize behavioral patterns and address them early in the future. 6. Moving forward. Focus on the present by planning and setting goals to help recover from the betrayal and rebuild trust.
Okay. What do you think? Can you see where you can use some of those to help you?
I do feel a little bit calmer. I will start to move forward today. Thank you for being there for me.
Thank you so much for watching today. Please click like and subscribe, then add a comment and share with others.